I want you to download the Nimbus extension. This is something that you're going to be able to use throughout this whole course whenever you need to take a screenshot of something. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to the Chrome Web Store, and I feel like you know how to get there in different ways. It's just where you add new apps and extensions. You're going to go down here to the CCS app collection because this extension has already been added by our county office. You're going to scroll down, and the first thing that you're going to see is the Nimbus Screenshot app. Now, this is not what I want you to download right now. There is a difference between apps and extensions that I can go into in further detail later, but we want to add the Nimbus extension, which an extension is something that is used on a website or with another website. Apps are separate. And for right now, I want you to download the extension. So you're going to scroll down a little bit further, and you're going to find the Nimbus Screenshot extension. It looks like a puzzle piece. Okay, now for me, it shows that I've already added it. So you'll just need to click on that and follow the instructions to add it. You know when you have successfully done this, when you see it now up here in your extension bar. And the extension bar is located up here right next to the URL address bar over here. Okay, so we already have that Google Input Tools extension that we added earlier. And now we're going to add the Nimbus extension. Okay. Once it's there, you can use this anytime you need to take a screenshot of any website that you're doing. So for instance, you're asked in one lesson to take a quiz on subject pronouns, and then we want you to take a screenshot of it. So after you finish your quiz, I'm going to pretend that this is my finished quiz. I'm just going to click on this button. And when you hover over, you're going to get a whole bunch of different options. And I always like to do selected area because that just lets me select the area. So I'm going to click on that. And once you do, you get this weird little box that shows up. That's going to just kind of give you a preview of what you want to do. And you're just going to select everything that you want in your screenshot. So say I just want all of this. Make sure that your name is viewable. Whatever screenshot you take, you're going to click, and then you can edit it. Sometimes I may want you to edit it and draw something on your screenshot. A lot of times when I take a screenshot, I click on edit and I add an arrow or I circle something in red. But here, if you're just taking a quick screenshot, that's all you want. You're just going to click save. And that's it. If you're using a Chromebook, it's automatically going to come up as a PNG file, like a picture file, and it's going to try to save it to your Google Drive. So make sure you save it in your Google Drive so you can find it very easily. If you're on a different computer, it's going to try to save it somewhere else on your computer. Give it a name so you know what it's called, and that's it. And then you're just going to save it very easily. So for one of the assignments coming up, you're going to have to do this and save a screenshot of your quiz.